next step is to install Apex in the PDB on this sandbox environment on the base database service. I have another script which does this automatically for you, which is called install apex pdb.sh. You need to specify some variables before you can run the script. The first variable, which is already specified, is the Apex download location. I'm going to use the one which is currently available, 23.1. The second variable is the strong password I used when I created the base database service for administration. This is the same one. So for the purpose of this exercise, I'm going to use the same password for the demo user, for the system, sys, and for the administration purposes, Apex administration, and so on. So this is everything you have to specify. The PDB name is optional because it's the only PDB I have in the environment. If you have just one PDB, you don't have to specify the name of the PDB. So I'm going to save the script and I'm going to run it with the source command. Now it is finished. The Apex has been installed. I'm going to leave the URL and the wget command in the video notes, video description. And this is all. Apex has been installed in your PDB.